Yo, JBlanked here. Today we're going to build a simple but powerful on-screen keyboard app for the PicoCalc completely from scratch using the on-device editor. First, let's get into the editor. From the main desktop view, click Enter to open the library, and then scroll down and click Editor. Now, to create our application file, we're going to name this Picoware/apps/keyboard-simple.py. And then go and hit the Enter key on Save. Now we're here in the editor and we can begin writing our code. To ensure compatibility, every Picoware application needs a specific structure. It must contain these core methods: start, run, and stop. We'll build each one step by step. First is the start method, which runs once when the app launches. We begin by getting the built-in keyboard object from the View Manager. Next, we have the option to set a callback function which will automatically receive the text when the user is finished. We can also pre-fill the input field with some initial text using the set response method. Finally, because the keyboard normally only draws itself after user input, we'll force its first draw to make it appear on the screen immediately. The start function is a boolean, so make sure we return true at the end. Next, our run method forms the main loop of the app. Inside, it continuously checks for user input. We'll add logic to see if the back button has been pressed, which allows the user to exit the app. If any other key is processed, we simply call the keyboard's own run method. This is where the magic happens. The Picoware system handles all the complex logic of tracking key presses and drawing the updated interface for us. Finally, in the stop method, we handle cleanup when the app closes. If you didn't set a callback, this is your chance to grab the text that was entered using the get response method. More importantly, we must call the keyboard's reset method. This is crucial because the keyboard is a shared resource and we need to clean it up for the next app that might use it. And as a final step, we'll call the garbage collector to free up precious memory. Okay, with our code written, hit the back button twice and then type in Y to save our progress and then hit enter. Now go up to applications. Now scroll down and click keyboard simple. And here we go. Now you can use the keyboard to type, or you can use the up, down, left, and right keys and click enter on a key to populate the response. And that's pretty much it. We can hit Shift to get access to different keys and click Save to signal that we are finished, and then hit back to exit our app. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos where we'll build on these concepts. Let me know down in the comments what you're planning on building. If you have any questions about Picoware, MicroPython, or this project, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer. But if you get stuck, join our Discord community or comment on the Clockwork Pi forums. I'm JBlanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.